I've always wanted to go into teaching. I have myself come from a background that wasn't an obvious choice for me to go to university. The secondary school I went to was massively underperforming. I grew up in quite a deprived area myself, and so when I found education myself and succeeded and got to the position I am now doing my PhD, I wanted to turn around and reach back and help students who were in the position I had been in, students who aren't growing up in the same situation as many of the people I see when I attend my own university. A lot of the students who I study with come from affluent backgrounds, come from backgrounds where their parents have been to university and they already understand the system, and for them it's a natural progression to go on to university themselves. Whereas for children who come from families where university isn't a natural step, or come from areas where they don't have the academic opportunities, I think it's really important to reach back and to help them and to support them. I thought the children were brilliant. They always surprise me when I am looking for a particular answer, and sometimes you get an answer that's a tad left field, but they have knowledge that you don't expect them to have, and they will put their hand up with an answer, and it can be very easy to get the 3 points that I'm looking for quite quickly, usually within 3 or 4 points, and they will have their hands up. I love the depth they go into with some of the topics, some of the places their minds go, and the way they express their views or their ideas. It's always really interesting to hear what they come up with.
I thought that I was like scared because I thought that the tutor was going to be mean, but Michelle was actually really nice, and also I was scared that I was going to be like loads and loads and loads of work.
Yeah. She's always very enthusiastic, and like if we're in like a bad mood when we come in, she always changes our mood and makes us happy with like all the learning that we do.
She, like, if we're stuck in our work, she helps us understand more about it, and she's really funny. She makes jokes about it and makes it more fun. She makes it more intriguing to learn about.